try the sample from L'Oreal. So I am fresh from the shower, so no makeup. So all I have to do is I have to put the moisturizer first. Collagen from L'Oreal also. Moisturizer filler. Hydratant. That one. So this is my moisturizer from L'Oreal. Moisturizer. So this is the free sample from L'Oreal, by the way. So I'm gonna try this. So I'm gonna put this one first. This is my moisturizer. Not a lot. My neck. So I feel fresh now on my moisturizer. This is I always use L'Oreal Collagen. So this is the pre-sample that they're sending me. Shout out L'Oreal. So I'm gonna try this. It's a Revitalift triple powder. This is anti-aging moisturizer. Oh, I make it double. Okay. Double. I already have moisturizer. I make it double. Oh, that's nice. It's anti-aging moisturizer. Result is in 1 week. Reduce wrinkle, firm, brighten the skin. I have a double moisturizer. If I like this, I'm gonna alternate this one and this one. Feel good. Feel fresh. This is my moisturizer. Yeah, thank you for watching. L'Oreal. And then my daily moisturizer is this one, L'Oreal Collagen. Bye.